In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front wheel speed sensors on this BMW X5. These are going to be located behind the front wheels. Let's get into it. We're going to remove the wheel, use a 19mm socket, take these lug bolts out. Before I take the last one out, I'm just going to hold the wheel from falling. Then grab the wheel and pull it off. I'm going to take this bolt out, use a 5mm hex socket. Take that out and just grab the sensor and pull it out. You might need some pliers and wiggle it out. Now follow the wire up. You can see where there's a retainer right here. Just pull this out. And there's a grommet here. Just slide this off the bracket, just like that. You can see this wire was actually routed wrong. This has gone behind the sway bar link. You want it in front of it. Someone did that wrong. There's a box right here. Just open this box, pull out the connector. There should be a button. You want to push down on the button, disconnect the connector. The button is broken on here, so I'm going to have to just cut away at the old sensor. I'm just going to use some side cutters and just cut away at the outside. Just get under there, slide the connector out, there we go. So normally with it, that would just pull out. And there's the old sensor. And take the new sensor connector, line that up, and push it down in place. It should click in place. Slide it behind the door. And the grommet at the base. Close it up. And take the grommet, slide that onto the bracket. That's good. And this retainer, slide the wire through the retainer. Take the sensor, slide it into the knuckle. Take the screw, get that started. Snug that down. Now I'm going to torque this to 72 inch-pounds. That's good. Now install the wheel, get that lined up, and get the lug bolt started. And get the rest of them started. And snug those down. Now we're going to torque the lug bolts to 111 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Go around again, double check.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.